Hi guys, welcome all of you. So I hope you and your family are safe. This video is not about some technical discussion, but I wanted to extend my hands to help all of you in reviewing your resume. Okay, so why I'm taking this session? Let me ask you a question. What is the first thing that is important to get a new job? Okay, can you tell me? So according to me, it's a good resume. Okay, this is the first step. So yes, you have to be good in technical, but first you should get an interview call, for which most important thing is to have a good resume which will showcase your skills, technical capabilities, experience, right? So if the resume is not selected, then there won't be any technical interview and no chance of getting a new job, right? So journey of getting a new job starts with a good and proper resume. So in past couple of months, people have been sending me emails for their questions or queries, any difficulties they are facing in the automation. But in addition to that, some people are really asking me to review their resume as they are not getting enough interview calls as per their expectation, even though they have a good command over automation and having 1 to 5 years of experience, but still not enough calls. So I had suggested a few corrections, some addition to their resume, and it has really helped them. So I thought it would be better to share this thing with all of you. Until now, whatever suggestions I have provided to the people who had sent me their resume for review have really helped them. So I am pretty sure if it has worked for them, then it would definitely work for all of you. So just send me your resume for review in case if you are applying or for lots of jobs or Naukri or other portals, but not getting shortlisted from the interviews. So see guys, as a friend, let me tell you, if you want to switch a new job and want to get a new job in new company, then you should be good in technical. Okay, this is an obvious mandatory thing, right? So if you are not good in technical, then you won't get selected. Okay, right? But my point is, face-to-face technical interviews or getting selected are the next things. First and most important thing in getting a new job is to get your resume or profile shortlisted for the interview. Nowadays most of people are facing this problem. They are very good in technical and good experience in automation, but just because of some reason their profile is not getting shortlisted. They apply for jobs through Naukri, or they get the emails from the HR, and HR asks them to send their details, including total experience, CTC, expected CTC, notice period, right, etc. But after sending these details to the HR, they don't get any update from them. Okay, that means their profile got rejected. So it can be due to notice period, expected CTC is not as per the company budget. Okay, but before these two things, let me tell you, your resume is the main factor. Your profile is not getting selected for the interview just because of some mistake in your resume. So see, HR or recruiter would get hundreds of resume every day, from which they will shortlist a very few, let's say 5 to 10 resume. So to do that, recruiter doesn't have much time to go through your complete CV. They hardly spend 20 to 50 seconds. Okay, so your resume should be in a form so that it can tell what experience you have, your technical skills, etc. within 20 to 30 seconds. So friends, if you think you want to review your resume, then email me that resume to ajautomation09@gmail.com. Just before sending your resume, just remove your personal details section containing your mobile number, address, date of birth, etc. Okay, they are not required for me. So I will give you my honest review, and I will reply you if there is anything to add, remove, or update in that. Okay, I will provide my suggestions. So I will try my best to reply you within 2 to 3 days, as I am having my own work and recording new videos for all of you. Like my videos, all these resume review is totally free of cost. Okay, so I just wanted to help all of you. So I may not have all the knowledge, but I would like to share whatever knowledge I have with all of you. Okay, that makes me happy. So I just wanted to thank all of you for your supports, comments, and your suggestions. That keeps me motivated, and I feel very happy to see the comments about my channel content, and it is helping them to learn automation and in the interview preparation. So I just started a little late. We have already Selenium WebDriver series, Maven Expert series in the channel, which is helping lots of beginner candidates to learn from the basic. Yes, there is a lot to cover. Need to add videos in TestNG, Java Concept series, which I started recently, and I'm going to add few more videos in Maven series, which is one of the best Maven tool playlist on the YouTube. And yes, Jenkins, GitHub, Docker, these DevOps things are all the next things. So yes, there is lots of work to do, so there will be a little delay in posting these videos. Okay, but one thing I will make sure to teach in a simple and easy way, right from the basics, so that a beginner candidate would also learn without any issue. So there are lots of opportunities out there in automation. So get your resume reviewed and do technical preparation, practice every day, and you would get a new job soon. So if you are new to this channel, guys, then please subscribe, and if you like the content of the channel, then do not forget to share with your friends. Okay, so let's learn automation together. So all the best, all of you. Take care and see you in the next video soon. Thank you.